Hi, and if you scroll through the comments in my recent video, you'll see this, and today I'm gonna make a tutorial about it, so let's get started. So firstly, what you need to do is go to the App Store and download AudioMac. Then after you download it, open the app, and now I'm gonna show you how to download it and listen music offline. So type in the song you want to listen, then just click this little icon right here and click download, and it will load a while. So after the download is complete, you'll see this when you click on My Library, and this is a list of songs you just downloaded and you can listen them offline, but you need to sign in. So now I'm gonna show you whether it works or not offline. So right now I'm gonna turn to airplane mode and cancel all my Wi-Fi. So as you see, now it works even though you're on airplane mode. So now I'm gonna show you how to do it on Android. So for Android, firstly you need to download AudioMac. It's the same app with the iOS. Just go in and it's all the same steps that I just showed you earlier, but yeah, I'm gonna do a recap. And you'll see this app right here, and yeah, you need to log in to get the offline music. And now I will show you how to download songs once again. So just click that, after you've searched, just click that icon that I just showed you earlier, and just wait for it to load. So now I'm gonna show you does it works or not. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna turn off all the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna turn off all the Wi-Fi in order to show you does it work or not for offline. And yeah, so as you see, it works even though you are offline. So now let's move on to sound effects. So for the sound effects, there's gonna be two ways. The way I'm showing now is downloading directly from a free website called Sound Effects Plus. It's a website which has many sound effects, over 5,000, and there are lots of users, and you could download them for free and you could search whatever sound effect you like. But for some sound effects, there are a watermark at the back of the sound, but it's still pretty much okay. And then another way is using sound preset effects from your editing app. For me, I personally use Capcut as my editing app for YouTube videos, but it could be different for you. But now I'm especially talking to Capcut users. So if you want to add sound effects, click on audio, and you'll see these 4 bars right here, and click effects. And there are some type of sound effects, and there are a lot of sound effects in each type, but they are very limited, and there are only like a few types, and it is also completely free. And if you want to add a sound effect, just click it and add the plus. So well, we got it, folks. That's all for today's tutorial, and we'll see you next time on my channel.
Subscribe for 10 years of epic luck.